day. Me don't know what making did I do so much. Me don't know what making did I do so much. Alright guys, we are at the jerk hut. So as you can see the vibe. We're going to come down there. Oh. That's why I not like come over here too early. So you know everything fresh. This me I talk about, this nice. The man. Jeez. Thank you. Watch them. What was that? Brits. Big up yourself, Brits. Big up, big up. Welcome in. Leg and tie for me, chef. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Leg and tie finish. How we used to, man. Thank you. Welcome in. Thank you so much. Rice and peas, you know, man. Look, man. Jesus. Guys, if you don't see phone or shape, just know, say, I can't just come out of a pool. God Almighty. I can't just come out of a pool. The cold hour. Alright, this will look like some barbecue sauce, jerk sauce. I don't know what's spicy from, what really not spicy, but we just taste everything right now. You see, cold bad. I don't know what is what, so just put everything bunny. Jesus Christ, it looks like over this have jerk pork. You're lying. Jesus Christ. Cool, yeah? We need to go to bar, we need to go get one drink. Lettuce and thing. It's nice. It tastes nice, man. It tastes nice, real bad. Them always say make sure you get your greens. So make me get 2 pieces of leaf. Right. Sunday dinner. This is what my Sunday dinner is looking like. Sardine a cucumber. I love cucumber, you know. Thank you guys. Welcome in. Pasta, that's a must. Pasta kind of look dry though. I don't really want much pasta. Put it up on the side. Presentation is steady, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah. This me a talk about. This me a talk about. Wow, wow, wow. Well, I'm lettuce a blow away, guys. Murder. Hey. Hey. How we this? Guys, well, make me set up my tripod. One moment. From morning we are eating a rate food and everything. So, you know, say we have to go do that. I start, I never get no drinks though. Bro, you get drinks, Ibar? Or you can get one Blue Ocean for me? Yeah, right here, sir. Yeah, Blue Ocean. I don't know if that's an ocean or ocean. I don't know what. Guys, always there. Woo! Aqua. Jesus. Okay, so we have so excited. Jerk chicken. You want to see my food? jerk chicken, rice and peas, lettuce. Half a lettuce then blow away. Place full of cover. How's everyone doing? Guys, I'm not telling a lie. Vibes are so different. Energy, just everything. Right. Alright, rice and peas. No. My family them used to me. My family them used to me. Ooh! Thanks, bro. Cheers. Yeah. Jesus. I know, right? I know, right? Rice and peas, shelly and nice. Oh, classic. I love it. Then I have to recover from breakfast. This morning, breakfast. They try jerk chicken now. It look real nice. Yo, and the street and the roadside jerk chicken, but they can't. Then do that thing. Then do that thing. The angle, bango. I love this. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Yo, I have to eat early because I said this morning when I come here to eat breakfast, I do that live. I come to live quickly. The Aqua and everything food cold. So I never really did like it at all. We are cold right now. But vibes nice. After I come out of the pool, they would have killed me down with Aqua size. Jesus Christ. Remember how was that? The Aqua size.
Nice, man.
Yeah, nice. Nice,
man.
We did love it, but why? Every time I think say man I don't need to pass something else. I said Jesus Christ. You start out strong though, you know? You start out solid. Yeah. When I get closer, I say, your breast him I go have enough. And I say, no, I want to catch your leg and tie because that's the part of chicken I prefer. I say, hey, I love my nephew. Classic. Well behaved. In just one of them food.
Did they?
And then in just.
In the fella people,
I realize.
in the crying.
I don't be like. And one thing get used to.
Wow, food. Like myself. Yeah, me have to come with it.
I made that. You want piece of it? As I will leave it now. Take piece of chicken. Me put piece of jerk sauce money. Because me want. Me no know if I pepper dish. Alright.
Sauce make it nice up.
I like it. Zero message nice sauce.
This is one cook down. And nice sauce on top and then you cook it up. Then you get sauce.
Me not like the rice and peas. Where you rate it? It's solid. It's solid. True. A long time I eat rice and peas, so she really nice.
My rice and peas cool. But it's nice.
Yo, you see this morning, I take a cold food them this having there. Everything cool. I said,
warm. You see if you press me warm. Young warm.
Hey, you know what kind of tea them did have? Put rice.
Copy.
Man, go better put the rice.
What's your rating?
Eat a 7.
Can go on.
Yeah. Eat a 7.
Rice and school and when you see me eat, yeah.
Not bad.
I'm at the beach, you know.
Yeah, when I beach?
Yeah, I'm at the pool.
I like. I never really plan to touch your water island, but when I see them start playing soca and they say, I'm say, me did have to reach in there.
One time I can't beat him.
You have bring it? In ever got beach before? In reach the beach now?
Well, that's all I came for.
That's right.
What was that?
You're making my experience everything
And
one
you
time.
like me with.
Alright, just be careful.
I mean, no say. You only keep it in your hand.
It does back up my face.
No, what I
I know it's my family, but
when they ban, it never fair in the It sounds like they run the ball.
and that's why I feel so
Monkey never cry when the game ban.
Yeah.
When him a beat. No, he never cry when him a come out. Kind of one come out. He love what he love. If we went out back in the water a long time when he bang, we did the afraid to put him in the water.
jerk chicken, rice and peas and lettuce, tomato. That's what we're eating, guys.
What a career thing.
Everything nice.
Comparison.
But maybe I look to see if they have no jelly.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Where?
This one man when I you want to get one jelly.
You're too light. So I'm not figure walk in the beach when me
You
done.
must sit there down my beach side.
I have to find it. You guys want a jelly?
In the beach, man.
Everything is good, thank you. Guys, it is my my birthday weekend celebration, so I'm here with my family. And you know I have to make you guys see what is happening. You know we're having a great time. We just did the Aqua soca workout fitness. Everybody, all our way did it. We're supposed to have some clips, them video me. So I'm gonna post some shots because I can't get to see it. It is nice. Tomorrow then I'll catch me tomorrow though. Thank you, Ben. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody have Sunday dinner already. If not, make sure someone eat something nice. I hear. Thank you, blah blah. Thank you, tea time. I appreciate it. Food. Yeah, all the way up there food. Food we love. And the Jamaica vlogs will be dropping soon too this week. So make sure to stay tuned because I'll be a vlog. Vlog. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? I had to say it. You missed the live yesterday. Yeah, me never live for long yesterday. Put the back on it. Me never did live for long yesterday. Me did there yesterday we did there Atlanta and we did show this vegan spot. That was cool. We did eat I think it's a vegan chili. It did nice. But I do save the live replay, guys. So if you don't miss anyone at the live, even this morning when we give you the tour at the beach and the buffet and everything, we can see it. Thank you guys. Yeah. Big up everybody there. You know, whether I'm a vegan, vegetarian, you know, don't love food or not just foodie overall. Something up on the channel food. Food nice, yeah? Nice, real bad. You watch it? Thank you. Make sure you leave a like and also comment so I see here. How do I feel being 55 years old? Whoa, I feel like 16. I feel like 16. Yeah. yeah, me just gonna show me face or something. You know what you go do? Oh. Remember me to follow me on all socials. I'm my name. Yeah, this is what happens when you drink water and mind your business. This is how you look. Oh yeah, bro, you're a new YouTuber? Okay. Just keep posting, alright? Yeah, people will find you. Antoinette, hi! Welcome in. Antoinette, you're right on time. But yeah, it's jerk chicken and rice and peas. Nice, yeah? Then cook. Boom, we are boom, done. When you take out some lettuce, but half I blow it. Pretty strong. You're welcome. Half I blow it. Yep. And when we're done, we want to look for finding jelly, man. I'm not a jelly. If I may ask, are you in Jamaica? Yes. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Sosa. Big up yourself, Sosa. Thank you. Thank you, Tony. Yeah, I'm here with my family, chilling, enjoying the time. Recovering from the soca workout, pool soca. It was a lot.
Oh my God.
You're in New York, but from Jamaica. Okay. Big up from Portugal. Okay. Thank you guys. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Period. Bang bang. This Blue Ocean. Tasha. Blue Ocean. You're welcome. My jerk chicken nice. Cheese. Yeah, me drink them have some fever grass. Also? Fever grass. They call it lemongrass. Me used to call it fever grass growing up, but I think the biggest thing. The sun I go down so the time I get back cold right now. My brother, guys. Hold on. Kuala kawa. That's funny. Happy Sunday. Just one question. How you feel? Oh, why? Soon come back, man. I just have a look at time. I don't get a look at time. Blue drinks and blue skies. Period. I thought me should have named the caption of this. Blue drinks and blue skies. Skies are really blue right now. You say what? Where? Where's he?
In the sky.
Boy, if you
You see that red barrel? You see the red barrel?
Yeah, that's him.
Build the coconut.
Ooh! So we just go up to him. How's my plate with jelly? Jesus Christ. Let's go. Our free jelly, then I give away. I have to buy. I like. How much here? My guys, we have to buy. Me not have money. Me broke. That's crazy. Wow. Eh? Hola. Eh? We are at RIU Ocho Rios. RIU Ocho Rios. Big up on yourself, guys. But yeah, when we're done, we have to go check out the coconut and see what we want to do. It's back? Okay. Boy, come like I did World War III, I'm going over there. Never visit a resort and had to buy coconut. And that means I don't know what happened. What, nephew, hi. Hello. You wake up. Hello.
Why not coconut free?
Guys,
I don't care.
me I go in over here. Big up on yourself. I soon circle back later.